We only have an hour anyways.
Sell.
Make sure your 3-second chart, like all your screen space is being available. I see a gray border right there, and that's kind of fucking
Sell.
on the right where the 67s are.
Oh, I don't think I can change that. On my screen, it's filled.
Sell.
Oh, all right.
Different monitor.
Okay,
Sell.
so what you're gonna do?
Sell.
You need to run the stream for them, I guess.
Sell.
Actually, no, I can do it.
Buy. Sell.
I need you to expand your 30-second. We need to kind of like potentially start looking. I know there's a bigger divergence, but expand your 30-second chart. Like make the window full screen.
Sell. Sell.
Yeah, so you'll have to do that when we do Windows.
Okay.
Sell.
Zoom out a bit.
Sell.
Shrink it. Make sure the price action is filled. Look for divergences. There's a big buy side divergence, actually, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, you can see it from one pivot to the next. The very lowest pivot at 153. Draw blue back.
Sell. Buy.
Oh, to like.
Sell.
It's gonna be more to the left. It's gonna be the pivot that looks close to it. Yeah, I mean, in there is fine. Well, you had it.
Oh, back here.
Yeah, let's see how the price goes up. Delta down. Open mouth. Draw it on the delta. The big delta.
That might not be working. I did on my screen. You're just not seeing it.
Okay. So you're gonna have to be drawing a lot of this on the price action. Zoom in on this to more where this range is up here. Yeah. Expand the delta bar so we can see more. Are we seeing anything? Yeah, there's a buy side of recent. Actually, that PA down has a buy side up. It looks like, yep. So, Chronic is sharing. We're doing screen share. He's drawing. Okay, let's go ahead and start looking at that 3-second.
Okay.
Go ahead and start drawing your reclaims on your 30-second, like PA. There's not too much, but your boxes are all fucked up. Get your PA and just of this up move. You don't have to do everywhere.
Oh, I think those two big boxes are yours. You're gonna have to delete those for some reason. I think it might be copying some drawings from your charts. Weirdly enough.
Everything on that up move where you're seeing it. Be sure you get it meshed up with the delta.
Max volume.
Right. I think that's it.
Okay. Go ahead and go to the 3-second as well. You want to kind of, yeah, right there. We want enough information. Okay, I see a sell side divergence.
Let's see, do I see it?
And a buy side.
Sell side is closed mouth, right?
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't see it. Oh, yeah, I do.
So Chronic needs to spot these things and draw them. Oh, that's a good one. Didn't see that one.
buy,
Go ahead. And
sell,
I can't see it when you draw it on the delta.
buy, sell,
But
buy,
I don't know if I can even copy it.
sell,
Let's see, can I? Can I draw?
sell,
No.
buy,
There's another sell side divergence.
sell,
Look
sell, sell,
very carefully.
buy,
It's from where you drew the last
Sell.
pink bar down
Um,
just slightly.
like
buy,
here.
sell,
I don't see the
Buy.
line.
buy,
Did you draw it?
sell,
Yeah.
sell,
Yeah, right
buy,
there. Go
buy,
ahead
buy,
and
buy,
match it
buy,
on the.
sell,
You probably need to pull that bar
Sell.
back a little bit. You
Sell.
overshot it. It's from pivot to pivot.
sell, sell,
Yep.
sell,
There's more sell side
sell,
of recent.
sell,
Correct.
sell, sell,
Is there any buy?
sell,
Now notice on the 30-second we did
Sell.
reach the buy side.
sell,
Now go ahead and draw the on the 30-second.
sell,
I need your pink bars
Sell.
from your 3-second to start going
Buy.
on to the 30. So
Sell.
go to F5 on 30.
sell, sell,
Press
sell,
F5 on the
Sell.
30-second.
Try
Sell.
drawings, yeah.
sell,
And it's number 1.
buy,
So you're going to put mother,
sell,
those two periods that live above each other,
sell,
and then 1.
sell, 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 sell,
Why isn't it doing it? What the fuck?
sell,
Oh, show from
Buy.
other charts.
Buy.
Yes, that's why. That's still not working.
sell,
The fuck?
sell, 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 sell,
Why is this
Sell.
not working?
sell,
So usually you press F5.
Yeah, chart drawings.
You put it on the
and-
wrong fucking chart.
sell,
So you got to go to the click on the 30-second chart. So that one's
Sell.
highlighted.
Yeah.
Left click the 30-second, not the
Sell.
3.
sell,
Press
Sell.
F5.
sell,
Copy drawings from chart number
Buy.
And
one.
then
sell,
you have to put, you got to write mother in it. So you go chart drawings and then you, I see where you put number 1. All you need to do is write mother. Those colon things, 1, like this.
Oh,
Sell.
without the number. That makes sense.
Mother with the
Sell.
2 fucking, because it's trying to pull it. I'm going to post
Sell.
it so you can copy it. Like that. It's in chat. See it? But you got to do it on the 30-second chart.
All right, that's
Sell.
working.
There it is. Okay. We can see that they are going through that. They went through the buy side. Now on the 30-second, you can draw the bigger divergence. You can see if it's from the highest wick
Sell. Sell.
to the
Buy,
current price
sell.
action, and make sure the
Buy.
bars
Sell.
are roughly
Buy.
matched. Use your
Buy.
crosshair when you draw it on the delta.
Sell. Sell. Sell.
It would be close mouth.
Sell. 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 Buy. Sell. Sell. Buy. Sell. 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 Buy.
So that buy side
Sell.
divergence got knocked, I
Buy.
think.
Buy.
Did.
Sell. 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 Buy. Buy. Sell. Buy. 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 Buy.
Price reclaims.
Sell. 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 Buy. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy.
Price reclaims.
Sell. Buy. Buy. Sell.
There was a bit of buy divergence that in the
Buy.
barcode, and then they knocked
Buy.
it down with that V flush.
Sell. Buy.
Any slight divergence, they start to knock it out.
Sell. Buy. Sell. 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 Buy. Sell. Sell. Buy. 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 Sell. Sell. Buy. Buy. Sell.
You can draw the
Sell.
buy
Sell.
side. It's
Sell.
from
Sell. Sell.
15, 10,
Sell.
54
Sell. Sell.
over.
Buy. Buy.
1054.
To 1511.
Buy. Buy. Sell. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy.
To
Sell.
1511.
Sell. Sell. Buy. Sell.
3 seconds.
Sell.
Something like that.
Sell. Buy.
No, no.
Sell.
Make sure you take your crosshair.
Buy. Buy. Sell. Sell. Buy.
15, 10, 48.
Buy. Sell. 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 Sell.
15, 10, 48.
Okay, on the
So
bottom,
draw-
right?
Sell. Sell.
Yes.
Sell.
Buy
Sell.
side
Sell.
blue.
Sell. Sell.
That.
Buy.
I can't.
Buy. Buy.
No, 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 no. You're
Buy.
going too
Buy.
far.
Buy.
You
Buy.
have a good starting point, but it needs to end at 15, 11,
Buy.
24. I can barely
Buy.
see the clock
Buy.
at the bottom of your screen for some reason. I think you need to pull the charts up a little bit.
Sell.
I can barely
Sell.
like,
Sell.
you know how there's the
Sell.
clock at the bottom?
Sell.
It's cut off slightly.
Buy. Sell. Sell. Sell.
Can you just pull the bottom of your charts up slightly?
Sell.
Like just
Buy.
drag them up a little
Buy.
bit. Like grab the
Buy.
very
Buy.
bottom of.
Buy.
Okay, that's not.
Sell.
I don't
It's not a divergence. It needs to end at.
Sell. Sell.
It's gonna be
Buy.
flat.
Buy.
So it needs to end at 1511.
Sell. Sell.
1511 24. 1511 24. Pull it back to the left
Sell.
a little bit.
Volume. Buy. Buy. Buy.
I'm gonna. Maybe I should screenshot these
Buy.
things.
Buy. Sell. 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 Buy. Buy. Buy.
Here, where
Buy.
you have it,
Buy.
I'm gonna send it.
Buy.
Do you
Sell.
recommend using a tick-based footprint chart? I don't use that shit, so I can't recommend it.
Sell.
I know I use time-based.
Sell.
If I don't use it, I don't recommend it. Usually.
Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy.
You see where I drew it? You drew the top part right, but do you see how there was a little bit of buy side?
Yeah.
Sell. Buy. Sell. Sell. Sell.
Chronic?
Yeah, yeah, sorry, I
Sell.
see it.
Sell. 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 Buy.
And then see how they V flushed it?
Buy.
Like,
Buy. Sell. Buy.
like here.
Buy. Sell. Buy. Buy.
Yeah, they bumped them out.
Buy.
Did that guy fucking write a message and dip?
Sell.
Anyways,
Sell. Buy.
next.
Sell. Buy. Sell.
Well,
Sell.
they're pushing the sellers. We're still getting sell divergence. Do you notice how The pink mouth is starting to, the top of the jaw is opening on the 32nd.
Yeah, like on the delta.
Yeah, the delta. So you need to, on the 32nd, the very long pink bar, you need to expand it to where it currently is. So those two high pivots.
Like draw a new line or extend the line that's already there.
Well, that one, see, if you take that new line you just drew and you put it on the delta, they're both going up.
Yeah.
That's not what we want to see. So delete that and then extend the other one. So grab the really long one, the longest one there. There you go. Now draw it on the delta.
Okay.
I might need you to share your screen on Discord so I can see it. You drawing it too.
Yeah, I can do that.
God damn it, you son of a bitch. Hold on. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Now go ahead and so what do we know? What are they doing?
They're pushing cell side divergences.
Yeah. They're pushing any side divergence. But we know they open the jaw up on this pink one. The big one.
Mm-hmm.
Since they're opening it, there might be a good chance they go through it. So let's see if the buy side has anywhere we can get in. Just I want you to sim trade it. We need to get good at this.
Yeah.
We got to make sure you don't have any reclaims around you. The book is trying to range. Let's see if they put any buy side divergences in. We don't want to see any buy side divergence whatsoever. I don't see any. There's more sell side, so you don't have to drag it on the 32nd, but you can go from tip to tip. So where you left that, yup. Go, yup. Start there. There you go. So we can get off the fucking. Okay, so it's going tight. Go ahead and look for a long here. You're gonna take 2 out of it. So go ahead and get into a long.
Okay, got it. 875.
875. Let's watch it. There's 69. Go ahead, pop it out.
Okay, got it. 70.
Problem is, I need you to know that by yourself. So let them do whatever. I need you to drag your charts down a little bit. Price squawk's getting goofy. So you're gonna want to kind of really zoom in and expand your fucking 3-second. Let's monitor the fuck out of the 3-second. So zoom way in on it so the deltas and everything is huge, and make your delta bars kind of taller, so we can really see every micro nuance. So to me, it looks like. Looks like there is divergence from 72.25. Yeah, see how there's buy side divergence? So slight. They're testing it right now. They're testing it.
Side on the 30.
So go move your cursor to the left, and I'll tell you when to stop. Go down. There's two red. Okay, but there's a buy side divergence in this section. But I think they knocked it out. Yeah, it's gone. There was one there. You really need to go bar to bar. I'm gonna keep going up. Watch for it. Notice you got a flat top. Have a crosshair on there to kind of like have a crosshair ready. You don't have that on a hotkey?
I have it set whenever I'm
Just
clicking.
measure. Just kind of measure the highs and lows of the delta. So notice they're moving in mostly unison. Kind of put your crosshair on the hard right edge on the delta. On the delta. Yeah, but keep your crosshair to the right a little bit so the mouse isn't. You want to like move the horizontal line up and down. And you want to keep eyeballing to see when there's any slight divergence. So there's divergence, but it's going the wrong way. Keep doing that. Keep like measuring it. Keep that horizontal line at the current price action. Or the current, I'm sorry, delta. Divergence, boom, sell. Look it across the top. Notice when you pull your crosshair up, go to the top, go up to the top of the move. Look for that crosshair price relationship. There's a sell divergence right there. Do you see it? It's flat on the delta, but the price is going down. So draw it from that point to the left. It's going to be red. From there to the left. No. It's all
like there, right?
It's all the way across. Like draw from the very high. Move your crosshair. Yep. All right, there you go. Yes, perfect. Don't worry, folks. He'll figure it out. So let's see if the buyers are doing it. Yes, the buyers are now doing it. So take your crosshair to 1522 26, 1522 26, or 1422 26. It's a pink bar near the low.
Yeah, right here.
It's no longer diverged there. They're gonna actually break it. You can make your 3-second the entire screen. Now kind of make your deltas taller. So 14, 23, 27. Look at the time at the bottom. 14, 23, 27. 14, 23, 27. Right down there. There's a pink bar to the right of that.
Yeah.
Draw from there over. Yeah, but now they're breaching it. So draw it, match it. Yeah, see how it's kind of... Keep that cross, keep looking. So that's not a good divergence. They're kind of like just going up on fucking bullshit. The buy side, no, there's nothing here. Make your delta bars taller so we can see this little micro shit. So now they're kind of spoofing it up. So they blew out all that buy divergence. There's sell divergence above. And you have you do have delta reclaim above you. Let's see what they do here. Buy side divergence, draw it from 2630. 2630.
Yep.
There you fucking go. Now you're getting a little faster. Okay, so are they going to push them? We have a divergence above and below. There you go, expanding it. So they ain't willing to take the sons of a bitches on the bottom end yet. So what we want to look for is we want to look for them to puke this blue a little bit. We want to see them puke the blue. They're doing more buy-side divergence. It's going to be at the time of 2718. 2718. Don't worry about the hour. 2718. And yep, draw it on price first. 2718. Now notice where it is in there. Go to 2718. Yeah, something like that. There you go. We want them to puke both of these. Now, what's interesting is they're kind of top ticking that pink already. They're breaching into that pink up there. Do you see how they're breaching in the pink on the left?
Yeah.
They're top ticking it. So we know they might breach low. Go ahead and put a short on. 75.25. They're bottom ticking this. So if this doesn't work, okay. If this goes against you or doesn't work right away, you need to get the fuck out. You're going to get about a tick or two out of it. So that's all I want you to get, because this is kind of getting nasty. And there's a bad buy spoof below you, or divergence. They may push it. Let's see if they push it. You might get 2 ticks. Putting in the slightest sell divergence, which is gonna not be good. I can see it. You're gonna want to just they could take it to the low, get a tick or two. Where you at? What
Yeah,
price are
just,
you?
trying to get a tick out of it.
Let's take it out, because I want us to get caught up on drawing. Go for a break even or something. Okay. So I need you to draw that buy side divergence. It's going to be at 15.20 or 28.27. So 28.27. There's a green delta. Yeah, right there. Just draw that straight across. No, you're going to draw. You can go straight. It's all bottom. It's all the same tick. You see?
Yeah.
Match it up with the delta. Draw the delta all the way down. Make sure your blue bar ends. You need to make sure these are starting and ending at exactly the same bars.
Yeah.
So you need to bring the price bar over to the right a little bit. So go up to the price bar. So PA, drag it to the right a little bit and end it. Well, you overshot. See, it's going too far. Your crosshair is going to help you align it. You
Yeah,
see when you're dragging it with the... Yes, exactly. So you make sure you're using that to align the shit. So you were sitting in it, and I'm like, okay, that could be good, but then what looked bad was go to 29.21, 29.21, 29.18, 29.18. It's a green delta bar.
Yeah, right here.
29. Yep. Draw from there over. So just draw those green. Yep. On the top side, red. Do red on the top side. Okay. Now draw it on. Nope. I mean, yeah, you can do that if you'd like. Draw it. Match. Start. Boom. See how they started doing that? I didn't like that. That means they're probably going to push through it.
Yeah.
What are they doing? What are they doing right now?
Push it through it.
Right? They did push through the blue a little bit, but we know we're in an uptrend.
Yeah.
So let's make that smaller. Look at our 30-second. Well, there's a major. Well, look at your 30. You can see a big blue divergence. Do you see? So you're gonna go to.
Yeah, I see.
Yep. No, it's on the wrong side. You need to draw on the bottom delta. Blue bottom, red tops, always. Nope. 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 Remove that red. Remove that red. Draw the blue on the bottom. Blue bottom. Open mouth. The reason that big divergence is there is because of those little ones you were drawing.
Okay.
Transposed to a bigger one. If you're seeing a big, longer bar like that, it's being caused by really small ones. Let's continue to look at our 3-second. Do you see anything? There's sell side. They're putting in sell side right now. Do you see that fucking hammer delta? That green hammer delta?
Right here.
To the left. One tick left. Yeah, right there. They're probably gonna push it. So I want you to fucking anticipate them pushing that. Go ahead and get long.
Hey, got it. 76.
You can probably get 3 maybe or 2. If you keep your eye on that delta, so there's a problem here. They're respecting it. See, they're starting to fucking respect. Now they're putting in another delta divergence up. You might be okay. I can just see it. It's those last 3 deltas that came in. They just probed on it. You're gonna want to probably start working out for a 2. Work out for 2.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
There's buy side. They're gonna go against you if you don't take the break even.
Okay, I got the break even.
Nice. See how it went against you? There was just enough buy. So your eyes need to be on those deltas and those. Look, see? How did I know that? Can I fucking tell the future? But you can so that's a bigger one. But what I see, okay, so there's 3 red down bars and they start at 51, 2451. Go to 2451 delta. You can leave that. Go to 2451. No. 24 go right, right. So I'm going to tell you how many ticks to the left or right, okay?
Yeah.
When I say 3 ticks left, that means you move 3 bars to the left, okay? So from there, draw blue on the bottom of those 3 reds. Blue bottom, 3 reds. See? Now draw it on the, do you see? It was relatively flat there to the tick on the PA.
Yeah.
And then they popped on it a little bit. Now you can keep it like that. You want to be looking at the highs and lows of the price action relationship to the delta at all times. And they for whatever reason they are blowing out wherever the diverge side is. Let's take a look at the 30-second, see if there's any major unfoldings.
sell,
30
I think there
seconds.
is actually.
sell, buy, sell.
You have divergences, but they're going the wrong way. Now notice they're pushing into that big blue right there. So you could be considering potentially a short into that. Let's go back on the 3 second and start looking for micro divergences.
Buy, sell, buy,
Looking at
buy,
really,
sell,
so
sell,
there's a
buy,
slight,
sell,
there's a 2-bar one,
sell,
3703 over. So go over 2 ticks, right? 2 ticks, right?
sell,
Yeah, those two greens. The greens. The 2 greens to the right, yeah.
sell,
So
sell,
like
sell,
over here.
Yep.
buy,
Well, you don't have them aligned perfectly.
sell,
They actually went through that by a tick, so that actually we don't need that. Delete it.
sell,
So we know they're pushing into that bigger blue. Buy side, look, buy side, you got flat. Okay, see how they ticked with it?
Yeah, like
It was right there, and then they ticked it 1 tick, so it's fine. They flushed it, and then it had ticked. Once it goes through by a tick or 2, they kind of tested it. Let's look at that 30 seconds, see how much further if they've gone through all that. They have pretty much gone through a lot of it. I think they're going to reverse this at some point. We want to stay on top of our 3 second, because if we're going to stay on top of the 3 second, we're going to start to spot the diverging quicker. Make your deltas a little taller. See how they're squished. They're giving you information there that you're not quite grasping. Are they going to put in a buy side? Are they going to put in a buy sign? Yeah, that's not a big buy side, but then they pushed it. Let it keep going. There's a little bit of sell side by just a few ticks. Try it. You can go ahead and there's some buy side too. So they're either going to push it up or down right here. There's more buy side, so they do the push. Yep, go ahead and do that. So we know they're pushing those buyers now. So the buyers keep getting in the way, actually, which is interesting. So a lot of the uptrend today was sellers continuously diverging and getting in the fucking way. Now we're seeing a pattern where the buyers are getting in the way, and we're not really seeing sell side divergence. There's a very small buy at 40.21. So green bars. So there's a flat top. There's a flat top at 71.50. There is the slightest divergence up there. Yeah, it's like a couple of bars, very slight. Yep, right there. You see how it just bumps up, baby bump. Let's see if buyers get in the way again. There's a little bit of a buyer divergence right here. They tested by a tick. We want to look for a bigger one though. Keep that crosshair out though. Keep measuring the tops and bottoms. Measure the deltas. See, you can see that there's slight buyer. They're pushing it though. They pushed it. They're coming up off of it. I'm gonna look at the 30. They really took that reclaim. Let them put in a buy side. There's a lot of liquidity on the buy side. Further down, they're not quite diverging. See, it's kind of moving. Nobody's like really reloading too much. There's a little buy side right there. Go ahead and get short. Somewhere in here. Where?
950.
Okay. You could probably get a point. Maybe. We don't want to overstay our welcome though.
I'll try before. Got it.
Okay, you need to align your charts. Is any of this like, or is it just like there's a fucking hamster in your head? Is there like a moth flying in your head right now, or what's the deal?
It's helping with the pattern recognition. Like I'm picking up on the patterns a lot better.
Get your crosshair out. Hold on. Yep. Start looking. What they're doing is anytime there's just the most micro divergence, they pop it by a tick or two. They will fuck anybody. Uh-oh. Am I still here?
Yep.
Okay. You're getting divergence sell side or buy side again. See those 3 red bars are running low?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead and draw it. There's even more. That's a nice one too. They did another stage of it too. So you can either expand that blue or draw a secondary. So you can probably get short again.
Okay. 6850 filled.
Now if they blast you, you need to cut it for a point or so.
Cut it. Point.
It's okay. Okay, you got double R. Reposition again. Short.
Okay. 70 filled.
There's sell side divergence. You need to cut it.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. Got it for a tick. Loss.
That's all right. Go ahead and re-engage it one more time.
Okay. 70. Got it.
The moment that they're diverging, you got to cut it again. I don't know if you can get the.
Took it out because they were jamming against me.
That's all right. So for some reason, they're trying to push it up. Draw your divergences.
sell, buy, sell, buy, sell.
There's been no buy sides.
Sell, buy, sell, buy,
There's a few down. There's a few lower in that reclaim, but
sell, buy, sell,
they're not.
sell, buy, sell,
See how they diverged it and then they popped it. There's no buyers. Okay. Now you have buy side divergence. Now you can try another short again. Try 71s.
Okay, you got 71 even.
Maybe a point or so out of the fucker. They're buy side diverging it again. There you go. They're pushing the buyers. There's two buy divergences right here in this very flat spot you're sitting in. Now there's a sell side. Slightly. We're just gonna get our hands a little dirty here. They tested them, which is good. Still some in your favor down there, but they are refusing to take it. Another point on your ass. It looks. See, this is news. Fucking shit. Oh my god, I'm having problems with this fucking divergence. You need to scroll your fucking divergence, man. You can't see what the fuck's going on. These 71s or whatever. See, we can't fucking see what the fuck's going on. Alright. So you can just flag here or whatever.
Yeah.
Just keep drawing. So they, for whatever reason, the buyers dug in. And they were not willing to let them go. So that was kind of information. Oh, they brought the PA way up. All the way back in. There's some buy side again. They're testing it for the first time. Draw it.
draw here, but that's closed mouth. Or no, that is open mouth. What am I talking about? See, I just can't pick up on the patterns. My brain, it hurts my
Right.
brain to look at it.
If they start probing at that, you can probably go through it. Some of what we did wrong was anticipate the move. Sometimes you got to go for it when they're testing it. Because if you're anticipating the move, you'll see how they're coming in to test it. So you want to look for a test or something. They did hit a big ass reclaim up. I'm not mistaken. There's a big ass book imbalance on the 30-minute. There's a buy side or a sell side divergence. Wait, no, there's not. Keep measuring, dude. Stay on top of it.
Stops there. This one kind of goes like. That's good. Here to here.
There's another buy side. They just put it in right here.
Buy side.
But they just took it out. So I don't know if they're going to test that big blue one.
Okay,
They are.
try it.
Get a reclaim advantage.
78.25.
Are you waiting?
No, I got it.
There they go.
Right there, 2 points. It's edging me, bro.
Buy side. They're putting another buy side right now. Pivot the pivot. Bottom pivot the bottom pivot. The higher lows.
That fucking came back on me.
Wait, I thought you took it out.
No, I tried. It fucking touched my order to the tick.
Doesn't matter. Keep drawing. What are you looking at? I feel like you're not looking at the deltas when you.
No, when I'm in a trade, I'm looking at the dawn. It's just where my
Sell
eyeballs-
side divergence. Go long.
Okay. 79.50 filled.
I think they've done probed it already.
Alright, I'll take it for the 6 ticks. Got it.
Did you see? I need you to draw that sell side so you can see it.
Sell side is closed mouth. Right.
Just draw from where that. Just draw the red line on top of the price action when it starts going up. Or I'm sorry. No. It was It was further. It was not. Hold on. It was only 3 bars, 3 ticks wide. So from 55.12 over that little flat area, it went up just a hair in there. Just a hair. You would have to like expand. You would have to make your deltas taller so you could see it.
Yeah.
You see it? And we know for whatever reason they want to run that top end. See if there's more recent shit. And the buyers are definitely, they're able to get it. Sell side divergence. Sell side divergence. Go long now. 82 something or other. In it?
No, I'm still waiting. 82.25 filled.
God damn, I relit my fucking dog piss out of that. The angle of attack's getting steep, dude. Go ahead and pop it out.
Okay, got 6 ticks.
There you go. I need you to draw that, though. I need you to see it. Because if we're just playing pickup ticks and you don't know what the fuck is happening.
Sell side. Back here, right?
It's actually going to be... it's going to be at 56.57, 56.54 at that time. So go to your delta 56.54s.
Yeah.
And draw it from there, red. Make your deltas taller so you can see it. And then it was generally flat. Up there. Yeah. And then they pushed it again a little bit. It's really that nuanced to see it.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude.
I mean, we did have problems, but for the most part, let's keep going. We still have like fucking 2 minutes. There's that's not buy side. The sellers are letting it go. There's big sell divergence. It's massive. It's as wide as your mom's legs in high school. Can you see it? There you go. Did push it by a tick. There's more. They're putting more in. Go another long.
Okay, got it. 83.
We probably can get 86, 85, 50 maybe. They might close it here. Get ready to flat key that cocksucker as soon as it pops the top.
Yeah.
Oh, they're fucking pushing hard. Oh, looks like they won.
Ooh, it's tough ticks.
Are you still in it?
No, I got stopped. At 2 ticks.
Yeah, when it gets real fast, you need to cover that flat key. When it goes like just slightly in your favor, you start get the fuck out. What was going on in there was so much sell side divergence, but you could hear the volume, and they were just fucking not getting through it. Go ahead and draw them. You need to make sure that last red bar is matched. And the price action. It's not go up. Yeah, see the and then on that they didn't do it on that flat spot. I thought they did, but they didn't. So you had the best a few ticks, and they weren't giving it up. So the problem with this is sometimes they'll dig in and hold it, which what happened to us in the buyers earlier.
Yeah.
Other times they'll just top ticket and pop it low, and they did it here. Notice how they kind of breached into that last divergence you drew?
Yeah.
See how they kind of it's a top tick. They breaching it by a few ticks.
Yeah.
Those are you're gonna have like these little signs that are just telling you to get the fuck out. Now there might have been like something else going on, like a buy side divergence potentially. Actually, there was. If you go to go to actually one tick. Buy. No, they went tick for tick on that. But either way, I don't know. Well, I mean, you got questions or comments, concerns?
No, I think what we're getting into here is super advanced, not in terms of like trading theory, but in terms of like focus and pattern recognition and shit. It's like, I don't know, maybe because you've spent 8 years looking at the DOM and like those super quick, super tiny price movements and shit. My brain's not used to it. It hurts for me to sit here and watch that for 10 minutes, you know.
You need to be like looking at everything, like every fucking bar printing.
Yeah.
You have to go, how does this relate to that last bar? How does this relate to that last bar?
Mm-hmm.
And it will very briefly show you what the deal is.
Yeah, it's tough. I think on an honest note, a lot of my frustration this week is just like it feels like so much of what I put so much effort into learning the last 6 months has changed so dramatically, and that's trading. Trading's always going to be that way.
The slip still matters.
Yeah, slips still matter.
You need to learn this. You're learning one component at a time. You need to learn this thing.
Yeah.
And then you need to figure out how to put those together.
Yeah.
You didn't waste time or anything. It just every time you add another fucking component, you need to learn it.
Yeah.
And I need you to be like just fast as fuck at marking out these deltas. I need you to just be on top of those divergences. The moment you can start to figure it out, like you have on the other shit, and it becomes automated where you don't even need to think anymore, then you can start to put it with the reclaims. Like if you zoom out and go to the 30-second, well, we got fucked on. There was a huge down move, then it went straight up.
Yeah.
There was a reclaim there to the left of that. 2 of them actually. Slip down, got down on.
Like when it went down, like down reclaims.
Well, you have a white box roughly where it's at.
Yeah.
Look, it went straight up there. Yeah, your cursor's on it. That's a reclaim.
Yeah.
Go to the right of it. Keep going right. Down. Down. That's another reclaim.
Mm.
Market's been up all day. Buyers fucking dug in. They weren't getting pushed. What I'm learning is you gotta, if you're going to be you'll start to notice that when the buy or sell divergences come in, what's happening is there's passive orders there. Somebody's on the limit and they're causing the divergence. Somebody's briefly reloading. And when it goes through those divergences, it's stop running.
Yeah.
The buyers turn into sellers, which builds the market maker buy orders at a better price. They're liquidating them to get basically the same position at several ticks better. For whatever reason, there's been points where the buyers have dug in. But from the context of looking at this, where we were getting fucked up, we did good, then we started getting fucked up. And that's good. You need to know what that feels like. We need to do more of this aggressive shit where I'm just getting you in shit, out of shit. And then we need to know why it didn't work, why it feels that way. Because if you're not feeling these failure trades, you're not going to learn from it.
Yeah.
You need to know why you shouldn't have done that. But from the grand scheme of things, there was just a reclaim above you. The buyers started digging in that 242 time zone. And that reclaim just unloaded right on close.
Yeah.
So, I mean, are you still frustrated or what's the deal?
Yeah, I still feel like there's still so much to be learned. There hasn't been like an aha moment yet. I feel like with slips and with like spoofing and with a lot of other that shit, it was confusing at first, but then I had like a moment, you know, where I was like, oh fuck, this rocks. This is fucking awesome, you know, and I just haven't had that.
It's there. Still there.
Yeah. And I just haven't had that yet with divergences.
The divergences, the top tick bottom or the flat tops aren't really true liquidity. It's these divergences.
Yeah.
Because that's where somebody's actually reloading.
Yeah.
The moment you start seeing it kind of moving together, there's really nobody passively working shit.
Mm-hmm.
And this thing is designed to. This is why trades always come back. It's designed to fucking come back and blow you out. And it's blowing everybody out.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know, go to a 30-minute. You zoom in today. Look at that book imbalance. They're definitely trying to get that book imbalance.
Yeah. And that makes a lot of sense to me.
There's a point when you know there's a point where they're just running the book at balance and you can just tell they're going for it no matter what.
Mhm.
How are they going to reload that? I keep cutting you off. I'm not going to cut you off. Tell me what else you think.
I think that's pretty much it. I just need to I need to keep getting reps in and just wait for that moment, you know, that click, because I find that I don't know, when I have those moments and I those things click for me, it's like they never leave. Like it's there forever. You know, like when way back in fucking November last year when Miller sat down with me and we drilled slip drills. It's stuck. It was like boom. It was like a fucking flashbang went off. And I was like, oh, this is slip, you know. And it stuck with me. It's I don't even think about slip. It's just fucking subconscious. I can see it. You know. It's one of those things where I think this is just it's as far as pattern recognition goes and being so zoomed in on the 3-second chart. It's kind of like when you told Yuki to do slip drills with me, and it was like micro time frame, and it was like it was
sell, buy,
He was like fucking.
Sell.
He was like doing
Buy.
sprints. You know,
Buy.
like doing fucking sprints in gym
Sell.
class. It's like you just gotta sit here for a fucking hour and you just
Sell.
gotta
Sell.
grind it out every second, every
Sell.
tick, every fucking
buy,
bar.
sell,
Correct.
buy,
And it's tough and it hurts my brain, but
Sell.
after a while it does
Sell.
click.
Sell.
You know.
The only way I know how to make
Sell.
money, if it
Buy.
has to be that intense.
Yeah.
sell, sell, sell,
You got a little
Sell.
quicker at
Sell.
drawing them, but I need
Sell.
you to like keep measuring them, keep drawing.
Yeah.
Your eye just needs to be like, your eye needs to
Buy.
be, you need to be, until we have something that does it for us,
Buy.
unfortunately, you're going to have to learn
buy,
the
sell,
workload,
Yeah.
sell,
which is a lot,
Sell.
because then it starts
Buy.
detracting your focus.
buy, sell, buy,
But if you're
Sell.
really into that
Sell.
3 second, you can see when
Buy.
there
buy,
there's a
sell,
problem,
buy,
Yeah.
sell,
and then you
sell,
cut it.
sell, sell,
I know we had problems,
Sell.
but some of the trades
Sell.
we got into were
Sell.
very good.
Yeah. Yeah.
sell,
There were some
sell,
bangers.
sell,
Like really like
sell,
super forecasty, super.
buy, sell, sell,
Super in.
buy, sell,
Yeah. So one day at a time. Fucking Rome wasn't built in a day.
buy, buy,
I'm gonna trade the open tomorrow, but it's gonna be so
Buy.
brief that I
Sell.
might not
Sell.
even I might just paper
buy,
trade it
buy,
because I
buy.
gotta fucking
No, we're gonna draw. We're just gonna fucking. I'll just drill with you.
buy,
You're gonna
Buy.
have to continue to
Buy.
draw these things. That's
buy,
it.
that'll
sell,
be
As far
at
as
the
what-
open then.
sell,
This
Buy.
dude's saying draw it as a line chart. No, maybe not.
buy, sell, buy,
Maybe,
buy,
yeah, that might be
buy.
something worth trying.
sell,
Hey,
sell,
draw it
sell,
as a line chart real
Sell.
quick.
Sell.
Right click it.
sell, buy,
I need to.
buy, sell, buy, buy,
Let me
sell,
do it
buy,
on the
sell,
3
sell,
second.
sell, 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 buy, sell, buy, buy,
Line,
Go to work.
buy, sell, buy,
line HL average.
buy, sell, sell,
Go to where some divergences were.
sell, buy, sell,
Oh fuck, I'm on the wrong
Buy.
chart.
Sell.
Sorry, one sec.
sell, buy, buy,
HL line HL average.
Buy,
It's like it would have been
sell,
shit like this roughly.
buy,
Zoom in on it.
buy, sell,
Might be right.
buy,
Go to some of the other divergences. Keep going back. You
buy,
can see it
This
there.
one you can see it
buy,
clearer.
buy,
Adjust that red one.
It's tough to see, but it's there. And then this one here is pretty good. That's a pretty good example. This one,
Make that touch in the right
Sell.
spots. See, it's touching the high, but
that's a good one.
adjust that red one there.
That
You
one
think that
looks
might
good.
be easier?
Yeah, visually it looks easier, and maybe even just changing the
Sell.
number bars to something
Sell.
like a candlestick for now. Just while I'm practicing this, just while I'm
Sell.
drilling
Buy.
divergences, just
Gotta use these charts
Sell.
because that's what we
Sell.
use. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Go to the hard right edge. I want to see what it looks like. How it like opens and
Sell.
closes. Zoom way in on it. Make it like a slightly thicker line. Dude, you might be right on that.
average.
Sell.
I'll do like
Buy.
2,
Buy.
and maybe
Buy.
I'll make it white.
Buy. buy, sell,
You can see some sell side right there.
buy, sell, buy,
Yeah, that would certainly help.
sell, sell,
Man, I'm kind of like, but
Buy.
I think it's
Buy.
taking,
buy, buy,
what is it, plotting the midpoint of those bars?
buy,
Hi-
sell,
Yeah,
buy,
high low average.
sell,
So whatever your candle is
sell,
it's gonna be the
Sell.
middle of that candle, the exact middle of that
Buy.
candle.
sell, 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 buy,
So
See, there's a slight sell, buy side. You see it
sell, sell,
right now?
sell,
buy side.
Blue
Sell.
bottom,
Sell.
blue bottom.
sell, 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 sell,
Got it here.
buy, sell,
Because
sell,
on my screen, it's still,
sell,
uh,
sell, 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 buy, sell, buy,
oh, that's a 30-second.
buy,
How do I get off your deal?
Go to file, chart book sharing, disconnect. And then close the chart book and open yours. My wife's calling me, 1 sec.
buy,
All right, leave that
Buy.
screen up.
sell, sell, buy, 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 sell, sell,
Just want to compare these.
sell, sell,
Maybe it'll help them.
buy,
What was that other one?
sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell,
Interesting.
sell,
Interesting.
sell, 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 sell,
You can definitely
sell, sell,
yeah, you can cut we can cut the stream here.
sell, buy, sell, sell,
I don't know if we should drill it or not.
buy,
It definitely smooths it out.
sell, buy, sell, buy, buy,
Definitely smooths it way the fuck out.
sell, buy,
All right.
sell, buy,
I'm out.
buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy.